Hi, welcome to Tinycreaturehub. I'm Kim C. If you are first timer here, please do subscribe my channel or give me a thumbs up. When you give me a thumbs up, YouTube will boost up my algorithm. So today's topic will be this Sudio E2 Earbuds. 2022 March, Sudio just launched this new E2 earbuds, and then they sent one of these earbuds to me to do a review. So today I will do a unboxing and also a simple review because I'm not a technical person, but I still on my own opinion tell you how good is this or no good, or no good, how good is this earbud. Okay, actually this is the third time Sudio has sent me their earphone or earbud, but I mostly I use is this Sudio Neo. This one I use a lot. I use about 1-2 years already. They sent me, so I still using until now, but now they sent me this new Sudio E2. This one I must take a test first. Look how good is it. I already very happy with this already lah. But this one now I'll do an unboxing first lah. Before I start, if you want to go to their website sudio.com and buy this E2, it's about $129 US. Singapore dollar is 180 something, I think so. Now you buy this one, they will give you a free this one. This is a wireless charging pad. This one free, but this limited time only. And then if you buy this one now and use my promotion code, you will get this 15% off. My promotion code is the same as the last time I introduced Sudio. Tinycreaturehub. Very simple. Tinycreaturehub. So if you want to go there and buy, they will get a 15% off from Sudio. Now we will unbox this. And Sudio, this one, the box is just push out here. I already cut out the sticker, so you just take out. The box very nice one. You can see here got right what, shape live through immersion sound, something like that, but I don't know what's the meaning lah. Then when you open up, I take the black color one because all bela sub black one won't get dirty. I already charged this one lah. So this one come. Let's see the earphone first. Okay, this is the earphone. Then they got this magnetic case. Behind got one paper lah. They say charge first before you use and then they come with this magnetic case. See, magnet one, magnet like that. Then you just take out the earphones like that. I already charged, that's why you see the battery is blinking. This is the earbud. Then here got light or not? Got light, you see blinking because it already charged. I already just now I went down to eat food. I already listened to it. Very good. So this is a earbud. So I put it back. Let's see the box, what is inside. Then the box is the same lah. Normally the box is the same like that. Then they got one cover inside. This one you take out. Inside got two small box. Inside two small box. One of the box is this charging cable lah. They got this charging cable. And the charging cable also come with a cloth. This one is for you to clean lah. Clean your earphone or the earphone case. Then the charging cable, this is the black charging cable, short one, very short one. So this is the charging cable. Then another one is this ear tips. They got ear tips. Inside got how many ear tips? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ear tips here, and plus the one inside the earphone is a 5 ear tips. So you can find the ear tips that you want suitable. They got different size, small, large, extra large or something lah. Depend on your ear lah. So if you want a very good secure earpiece, earbud, ear tips, then you go and find. And then they also got this menu. Yeah, the menu you must see, because this one something different from the old type one. This one I use some different control and then this one is sorry, this one is the warning precaution. This one no use. This one is the menu. This one is the menu. You all buy, then you all read lah. Don't buy, no need read lah. So that's it. This is everything. And then I already told you if you go and buy they'll give you this wireless charging pad. They say can charge very fast. I don't know lah. Must charge then know lah. Your ETT, they say this one also can charge the Sudio ETT earbud. So ETT earbud and this E2 also can charge. Okay, the charging pad is like that, white color, thin pad. I never have a wireless charger before, but it's like that. Like that can charge. Don't know leh, not sure about that lah. But can try lah. Then they got menu and the cable there. Okay, even I don't understand the technology of this earbud, but I still have to read out whatever thing inside so that you all can know lah. So this earbud got the dual microphone VividVoice technology with IPX4 certified sweat and water resistant. That means it's water and sweat resistant, not waterproof. But you going to throw inside water cannot. It's just that you splash the water, it is resistant, that's all. And it can play up to 30-hour total playing time. The 30-hour is the case is 30-hour but if you want to listen, I think about 6 hours only, 4 hours, because they got other setting. So you set wrongly, it will be 4 hours. You set another thing, it will be 6 hours, somewhere there Then this Sudio E2 True Wireless Earbud with hybrid ANC technology. ANC technology means that anti-noise cancelling, something like that. Means no noise. This one I tried already just now. Later I talk about this no noise. Then I see the box behind. Sudio E2 experience the next level of sound with captivating 3D spatial audio. Spatial audio, I'm not sure what does it mean what but it's a good thing Then immersive hybrid ANC. ANC just now I say already, anti-noise cancel. That means no noise can come inside Then an exceptionally clear call with dual microphone VividVoice technology. That means when you talk or you use Zoom or video conference calling then your microphone will be super crispy clear. People can hear what you are talking. So if you use Zoom you use this one it's very good. This one good microphone. And then I think they partner with a company called Dirac, DIRAC. So Dirac Virtuo is a spatial audio widens the sound stage and bring out the spatial cue already existent in stereo recording. Experience listening as intended by the artist. I think what it means, I also don't know. It means very good So this one you are sweat and water resistant. Then it's up to 5.5 hour play time. That means you use your earphone, it's 5.5 hours somewhere there. And then up to 30 hour total is this casing box can last 30 hours So you charge them 5 hours, charge 5 hours, charge 5 hours. and then the voice, and then the hybrid noise cancelling. This one is the A and C. Why is hybrid noise cancelling? Not H and C, meh? Okay, later I'll explain this one. Okay, that's all inside. This earbud, just now I already charged already. Then I go down, I have my lunch and listen to the music, and it is very, very good. Better than my this one Sudio Neo. Better than this. The sound is really very better than this long. And it's I don't know why when I use the Sudio Neo, the volume is when I on until totally full volume, also not so loud. But this one is very loud. Very loud lor, this one. Because I old man the ear getting cannot hear like that. So must loud. So this one one thing when I use this one also the tapping one you tap when you on you just long press then they on then I think you long press then they off same like the Sudio Neo but one thing when this one when you press every side this side when you long press they will say where I try no, wrong side. This one is here. When you long press it says spatial on. Then when you long press again it says spatial off. I don't know what spatial is. Then if you want to listen to the next song, you slowly double, then you go to the next song. If you want to back, you slowly double tap, then you go to the back. Then you triple tap slowly 3 times. It will I think go volume go up or go down. Here also same, triple tap, volume go up or go down. Long press will be they will call spatial, but long press again I think they will off. Then here if you long press this one is the right side if I long press they will say noise cancelling. That means the noise cancelling activate then you cannot hear outside the noise, you only can hear the music. Then you long press again they will say transparency, then I can hear outside sound no more the noise cancelling then I can hear outside the that sound sound sound. Then I press again long press bo I off already. Should not off why off? One thing when I wear on it I never change the earbud but it's still okay. You see when I swing my head see it won't fall. But just now when I eating I chew a lot of time then suddenly this one drop into my spaghetti. So I bring up and clean again, then I put, then I chew my food and this one drop again. I think I never put properly so if you put properly it won't drop but if you don't move your mouth and chew if you chew you see here moving your eyes, your ear also move then it will drop but normally it won't drop. Just now I just walk around it also won't drop. Okay, now I want to tell you, if you want to go and buy do use my Sudio Studio code my Tinycreaturehub code, so that you can get a 15% off. And the most important thing is now you buy they will give you this one the Sudio Lab wireless charging pad. Wireless charging pad. This one you charge 10 minutes you will get a 2-hour playtime this one very fast you can charge very fast this one. So this one is free to you. This one I think is cost about $60 something for this one. But now if you buy the Sudio E2 then use my promotion code, we got 15%. I think Singapore US dollar is 129 minus 15%, I'm not sure, but Singapore dollar is also I think it's 189 something like that so deduct already. But if worth it this one 60 plus 60 call so if you buy now they'll give you free, limited time only So this one come in 4 color The color is wait I see jade, sand, black and electric gray. And then the casing, this one, the charging casing box, is the smooth type one. This one, wow, this one good. The model is very strong. But not like this one. The new one is a super. This one is plastic one. You see this one already 冷了 but this one, good very good So you want to buy, use my promotion code. I see you next week. Okay, bye bye.